this next chapter, we're going to be looking at the special journals, okay? But let's back up just for a second. First of all, we had in the previous chapter, we had the general journals. The general journal is where typically we record all of our transactions, every single transaction, the debit, the credit, one right after the other in a chronological order. Now, that's not the most efficient way to do business. The most efficient way is just to have kind of your special transactions, those little strange transactions taking place in the general journal, and then putting all the other transactions in what we call special journals. Now, the most common are these four. These are the four special journals. And the sales journal is where we record all of our credit sales. Any sale that's on credit would be recorded in the sales journal. And in the next video, I'm going to show you an example of that. I'm going to put up a sales journal, and you're going to be able to see how we put in every single transaction. Whenever somebody buys something from us on credit, not cash, on credit, we will record that in the sales journal. The next special journal that we're going to look at is the cash receipts journal. This journal is whenever cash comes in, whenever somebody pays us, whenever somebody buys something with cash, anytime we're bringing cash into our business, that transaction gets recorded in the cash receipts journal. Okay? Now, the reason why we have two different journals, actually four different special journals, is because there's usually different people or areas that are responsible for each one of these things. And so they keep track of all those type of transactions. All the credit sales, all the cash sales, many times cash comes in, we have someone who's responsible for that, for making the deposits, taking them to the bank. That would be the cash receipts journal. The next one is the purchases journal. Anytime we purchase for our business, when we go out and purchase something on credit, that would be recorded in the purchases journal. Okay? So this would be like accounts payable type stuff, or our payable type things. Okay? So any type of payable would be recorded in the purchases journal because we're purchasing something, but there's a payable, meaning we owe somebody the money later. Okay? And then lastly, we've got our cash disbursements journal. The last special journal is the cash disbursements journal. This is every time we write a check, every time we pay cash for something, okay? That would be recorded in the cash disbursements journal. So each one of these special journals is very, very particular. It has specific things that it tracks, okay? So this is credit sales, cash coming in, credit purchases, and cash going out, okay? And we're gonna look at examples of some of these in the next videos, okay? So that's the special journals, and good luck.